guys, so we're back into my YouTube channel. So we are leveling up our new pet. So don't know what it is. It's this noun dog BLOO. What is that mean? So let's go guys, let's level up our pet. First, we're gonna play in the you know it guys. First, wait, before I play in the arcade, please like, share, and subscribe guys. And we are gonna buy right here first. Where is that? This, right. We need to color it. This. Yes, it's not gems. Maybe this or this. Maybe this, it's blue and green, and this, it's blue and yellow and pink. Yuck, I don't like pink. Let's buy it. Oh, it's so painful. I waste so much money, guys. But we will use this to race, guys. So we are much faster. Let's let's go, guys. Let's go. Oh, guys, sorry about that arrow. We're coming right there later. So let's go. Running like our Naruto Uzumaki. Okay, guys. We're gonna start later. Okay. Maybe this. Okay. Of course, my bike. Oopsie. Maybe I need a wrong decision. Oh, maybe it's right. I thought no one gonna use a bike, guys. He left. We are both using just a bike, and he left. Why? Why did you left me? Oh, bravo. What is that guy going backwards, guys? Haha. Oh, again. Oh, I slipped. It's the slipper. Not so fast. Catch you. Can I catch him? Yes, I catch him, but I'm too slow to reach him. Yes. I'm gonna catch him. But not too fast, guys. You're dead. That ball is just moving so quick. Yes. We are so fast, guys. How did you so fast? I'm too slow, guys. Please move faster. Why I'm so slow? This, and the rocket. Fly, rocket. Go, guys. Move faster, guys. I rocket again. I'm feeling I'm so lucky today, guys. I'm so lucky. I always get a nice package thing, guys. So I'm so... Where did that ball go right there? How did it go in the mountains? How? So guys, our pet is almost level 2. So let's go. Nope. It's 3 box. 3 games. So okay guys, let's let's play again. Maybe to get the first place. Oh yeah. Maybe I can beat them guys because they are all in the go-kart and I'm in a bike. Comment guys, which is faster? A go-kart or a gasoline motorbike? Comment down below. It's like this. I'm in the first place, guys. Say that to you. So you get everything. Guys, if I got first place, you got to subscribe, alright? If I don't get the first place, second place or third place, you got to like this video, right? Right guys, okay? It's the deal. You promise, huh? You got to promise that, guys. Okay. I'm in the first place, guys. In the first place. No one can catch me, guys. What's wrong with that blue thing boy right there? Why is she last? How did he do that, guys? Maybe that I'm questioning why this is a real people or a computer, guys. That's the question. That's my question. A real people or computer? Because they are too slow. Let's drift first. How did I fall that? And it's too slippery. Why? Why I keep falling? Wow. Let's go get the bakery, guys. Okay. And now our pet is level 2, guys. So let's go. I'm first place. You got to subscribe. Dancing. Chiku. Oh, we waste too much time, guys. So let's just level up our pet. Wait. Who wants to drink water? Let's go in the pet shop. How the dog walk if you don't have a feet? How? Sorry? Oh, this is not the pet shop. That's the pizza shop, guys. This is so silly. Let's go. Oh. Yeah, is it a pet? No. Don't like this. I already go in the pet shop. Why what's wrong here? I'm playing this. This is my new account, so you see I only have 4 pets. And we're gonna level up and jump. Wow. It's so slippery. Level 5, guys. So let's go. Our work Okay, let's see. I'm the first of him. This one is too slow. Haha. That's just a joke. Because I had a booster. So that's why I'm faster than him. You can use Rico in here. So sorry. Crazy run. What is this? Pet parade? I don't know that game. Let's just go to X to everything. Oh, no doggy. Wait. I have a question. Maybe this. Oh, he's right here. Maybe he's gonna follow me in the race, guys. Maybe this is a glitch. Okay. Where is he? And he's not. Maybe Dr. Rock. Who is this? Trevor Brown bear. He's not even a bear, guys. See that? He don't even have a tail. And bears don't need tail. Oh, I know. I'm proud to not see bears too long, guys. I don't know. I forgot about it. And the bomb. Why he is not getting faster? Why he didn't start it? What's wrong with this bird, guys? Oh, this is something cute, guys. Oh, it's very okay. We can play right here, guys, because he is too slow. Oh, he's faster now. Oh no. I need a wrong thing about him, but he is slow again because I begin much faster. Mr. Up. He is too fast. Why it always goes too slow right here? Why? Guys, please comment. Need fast and fast. Mom, let's go fly, guys. Jump! I made a wrong click. I'm gonna press the jump thingy. And I didn't press it. I pressed the booster. And we are almost at level 5 in the mystery box, guys. So let's collect this. Yeah, see big dance. Yes. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Hello. Oh. Maybe this guy is not very naughty. I don't know. Not naughty. Maybe this guy is so fast. That's what I mean. Not naughty. What's wrong with you guys? Is this? So, where is she? Oh. He's gonna beat me again, guys. I hate that card. But always beating me. But there's only one way to get this to win. We're gonna do our best. Oh, he's still much faster. This other guy, he is a witch. In a fire thing in his back. They always get the first place. But I tried my best, guys. My best is like this. Don't have much more challenging. I'm not a better. I'm just a noob player in this game. I hit him. Oh, again. Not this ball again. I hate that ball. Faster. Faster. Yeah. Yes. Sorry, but this. Reach. Faster. Sheesh, guys. What? He made that jump? I can't even make that jump. See, guys, I'm a noob. That is so far. Jump and the slimy thingy. First, let's do a drip. Oh, not a drip. I'm gonna lose. Yes. Here we are almost level 5, guys. Oh, we got the mystery box. Market. 1,000. 2 gems. I don't know what that is. Oops. Bye-bye. Go. He needs a shower, guys. We're gonna regret this. Why? Why regret? Because I waste all of my money. Look, my gems is only 12. Earlier, my gems is 114 gems. But I spent it all for you guys. So, if you want, I'm gonna buy all of the types of the pet pod and gonna hatch it every video. And please guys, if we reach 500 subscribers, I'm gonna do that. If we're gonna reach it. And guys, comment down below what should we name our pet, guys. What? Comment down below. Okay. We're almost gonna get that big blue pet. Let's work in the pizza shop right now, guys. It's so close to. Hello, pizza boss. This is my boss. I'm gonna call him Pizza Boss because he is my boss. Like that, right? Wow, that's him. How even he came out here with no safety. What if he's gonna fall? Wow. What if he's gonna fall? There is she. He had a nice butterfly wings. Oh, we almost gonna get our nice pet. We need much faster. Oh. Wait guys, we're gonna try this girl first. Try this. Thing. Good alligator. Okay, good. Let's trade our. Maybe it's gonna trade ours. Nice. Oh. Let's trade this, guys. Do you want to trade this? Guys? Maybe our pig, guys. Please agree. Yes. Oh, Don't waste. Okay, guys, let's go. Oh. I almost fell, guys. Like, how? I don't know. What is this? How woody? I'm the pizza guy. Can you help me deliver some pizza? Of course I can help, guy. You can just walk, but your feet is hurting. That's okay. You can ride with me like that. He can ride with me, guys. He can ride with me. This guy again. I thought he ate all of the pizza. Good thing he didn't get fat. What? Where's is my pet? My pet, guys. Didn't equip it. I don't know. Let's just play again in the arcade. Oh, maybe this is my pig. Don't look like my pig, guys. Hello, shy goat. You're not even a goat. She is not even a goat. A goat. It's just wait and wait and wait and wait and wait, guys. Go, please. Yes. Maybe no one's gonna get that special card thingy. Maybe I'm gonna get the first place. Maybe, just maybe, not. I'm not successfully saying I'm gonna get the first place. I'm not gonna say that, but I said it. I'm not gonna get the first place. Okay, I blow a bomb. I'm slowing down. I need to get faster. I'm so slow. I need to get this. Oh no. Wow, I fly so far. Let's go. Damn. So sorry about that, guys. Gonna get the first place. And yes, we get the. Oh, I thought I got the first place. Yes, he falls. We're gonna get the first place. Subscribe, guys, if I got the first place. Ooh. If I don't get the first place, don't subscribe. Just follow me. Not follow me. Just like me. Jumping, bumping. Oh, guys, I got a feeling I'm gonna get the first place. I fall. Why did I fall like that? Yes, we won. How? I thought my pet just gonna get the level 5, guys. Why? They are cheating. At least I got the first place. They're gonna subscribe. Bye-bye, girl. Oh. Let's go. Yes. Our pet is level 5. But guys, this video, it's not end yet. We're gonna buy one thing. Just wait. out here. There's my ride to do. Okay, there are so many. Let's go, guys. In here, we're gonna buy one of these. I hope I get the fire dragon, guys, again. So we're hatching it. Let's change it. Yes, this. So guys, we got to use the new pet card. Yes, this is it. First, we're gonna feed our dog. So guys, thank you for watching our video. Bye. Mwah. Bye.